I don't want to touch up. Then when you blow dry your hair, you won't have no frizz and able to straight.
Thousands of women are flocking to salons across the country to beat the elements and rid their hair of its natural curl.
It makes it look healthier. I've gotten compliments. It does maintain a straight look and body.
This is just a conditioner. It's not a chemical.
Stylist Olympia Payano is talking about a protein treatment called keratin. The most popular formula is called the Brazilian Blowout. The Blowout is marketed as formaldehyde-free, but tests by Oregon's Occupational Safety Health Agency found the known carcinogen is one of its ingredients.
It's just basic trace amounts, and it's not harmful, if you use it properly.
Using it properly means having the right ventilation in the salon. Some salons, like this one recently shown in the New York Times, will only apply the product while the stylist and client are wearing gas masks.
Good afternoon, Shelton.
During my visit to Shelton's Salon and Spa in Silver Spring, no one wore a mask, but they did crank up the AC at one point because of the fumes.
You're not just flat ironing her hair, you're actually activating
The keratin, yes.
The heat may activate the keratin in the Brazilian Blowout, but Oregon's OSHA says the levels of formaldehyde found in the product are within permissible limits. Limits, they still warn, can reach a danger zone. The CEO of Brazilian Blowout believes the product is safe, and he tells us he stands by it.
This is the area where there's the loss.
Dr. Monty Harris is the founder of the Center for Aesthetic Modernism. He is now treating women who have lost their hair after a Brazilian blowout.
I haven't been able to really give it, an overall stamp of approval. There are patients that we have found that have gotten what I would consider to be a good result from it. And there are patients that haven't.
Everybody's looking for that magic.
Some of those patients end up in Denise Parks' salon. The veteran hair educator is also my stylist, and she says she has no plans to use the Brazilian Blowout or any other keratin treatments in her shop.
After the third or fourth time of getting the process done, then I started seeing damage. Cuticle is continuously being flattened and then breakage starts.
My hair is really uneven.
15-year-old Brooke Perrin says she will never get that kind of treatment again.
Some people would call keratin a miracle product. What would you call it?
I would call it disastrous.
Tomorrow at 6:40 a.m., you're going to hear more about Brooke's disastrous results. Meantime, the CEO of the Brazilian Blowout has a lawsuit pending against Oregon OSHA, saying the department manipulated their test results. But the company is facing more fallout. Last week, the state of California sued them, and the FDA is looking into the product, too. I'll see you at 6:40. Leslie Foster, 9 News Now.